Ready? On today's video I have this Vauxhall Insignia. This is a 2014 2-liter diesel, the CDTI. I'm just gonna reset the oil life in it. It's not yet showing me any warning, but I've done a service today. I changed the oil and the filter, and I'm gonna reset it. This is just mainly because the car is being prepared to be sold. So if you get the ignition on, and if you're on that menu, then just stay on that menu. I mean, you can navigate with these arrows here. You could be that you're on a different menu. You could be on the audio or phone navigation, any of those, but if you're on the info menu and with the arrow down here, just go down to oil life, 34% remaining. Then I'm gonna press the arrow to the right and it says reset, so I'm just gonna press the tick, like saying okay. And then now it's being reset to 100%. So then you can obviously start again until either it shows you the warning or you change the oil again. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.